Today's Bitcoin situation. We're going to look at Bitcoin, analyze it, and then make a price prediction. So I'm starting with the weekly view. This means each candle represents a week, and you can see that when we have those vector candles, it's always a good spot to buy. If you're not really sure how to tell, if you don't know when it's time to buy, you can use the Crypto-Quebec indicator. This is an indicator you can find for free on my Discord. When you identify a green candle, you know something's up. When it's red, you're going down. When it's green, you're going up. It's like traffic lights, right? Go, 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 it's good. Go, 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 it's good. Red means not good. Red means not good. Red means not good. Go, go, go. On the weekly, it's always good. Okay, if you want to check out this indicator, you click at the bottom of the video or in the bio. Then you go to Discord in the indicator section, and you can grab the indicator. It's completely free. Obviously, if you want to join me too, the Crypto-Quebec teams are on Bitmart, BitGet, or BitVenus. If you choose the platform with me, I'll bring you into my team. We're already 461 traders, and everyone is seeing results. As soon as you've set up on the platform, you message me right here, and I'll add you to the team. Returning to Bitcoin, we can see that we haven't lost this low. We can see that we're staying at the bottom of the channel. Let's go to the daily view. Obviously, the stochastic RSI is trying to turn upwards. You can see here on my 400 indicator, the VWAP is starting to climb. When it climbs, it gives those kinds of impulses, you see? And when it goes down, like here, the VWAP is trying to go up. So we're at the bottom of the channel, okay? Is this a good place to buy when we're at the bottom of the channel? The buy signal is giving the low. The Crypto-Quebec indicator is based on moving averages and Fibonacci levels, okay? And look at what you see. When you touch the low here, low, 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 every single time we've gone back up. We're reaching the low on the indicator. The indicator is telling us we're at a good level. Is it good when you're at a good level on the indicator? Yes, it's good here, it's good here, it's good here. I can go all the way back. I'm on day 13. Buying at a good level on the indicator is always a good move. If you had bought here at a good level on the indicator, let me zoom in a bit. If you had bought here at a good level on the indicator, here at the bottom, and then sold at the top, that's roughly a 100% gain on Bitcoin. 100%, okay? So now that we are here at a good indicator level, what's going to happen? Well, we can see what's occurring. These are our daily candles. We came up here to make the hot.
We feel that the VWAP, the channel, is not over yet. The channel, I think it will end around 95,800. We'll see that on a smaller time frame. So we see there's a possibility of a reversal on the 400 indicator for Crypto-Quebec. So we're looking at the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart, we already have our bearish signal. So what does that mean? We had a bearish signal earlier in the day. Where did we go up? On the Crypto-Quebec indicator, you see? The Crypto-Quebec indicator acted as resistance. We broke through, and we came down to where the Crypto-Quebec indicator is at a super level. So we have our bearish signal in that zone.